Hi, this is Debbie, and I am coming to you today on this beautiful Saturday morning from Udaipur, banks of Lake Pichola. I've been here in Udaipur since lockdown started back in March. City's becoming a bit more back to normal in terms of the new city and residents here, people who live here. But for tourism, as throughout the rest of the world, things are still very quiet. The Udaipur government have taken the opportunity while tourism is at such a low point to make some major infrastructure changes throughout the old city. So I thought I'd do a little bit of a video around the town and show you what has been happening. Some of you who've been here will maybe appreciate seeing the roads as they are. They're completely dug up in some areas, impassable in some areas. All this means that when you do eventually get to come back to Udaipur, the city will be a new place. It's going to hopefully be fantastic and much more easy to negotiate, better roads. So I'm going to take a few video snippets around and show you what's been happening. So I'm down at Ghat at the moment, and you can see even the boat jetty is not in use at the moment. There's patches of the road dug up here. So you can still get through here with your vehicles a long way around. One of the hotels we stay at, Kakawa Haveli, just there. Rainbow Restaurant, some of you might recognise this place. So I've just walked up from Ghat, and another junction here. Another of the hotels that I stay at is Udaipur, just down that laneway in that direction there. You can see how quiet it is here. Most of the shops are still closed. This area is pretty much exclusively for foreign tourists, so because there are so few in India, this area is very quiet. So not only are they working on the roads, but a lot of buildings in the old city are also being renovated, as you can see here. Now this is walking down to the main road that runs from the main temple in the old city and goes down to the main Ghat on the lake. Now you can see the sort of work that is going on. Part of this road is completely impassable. So it's very quiet today. Normally there's lots of construction work going and roadwork noise going on. Maybe they're having a break because today is also the first day of the Navratri festival, which is a very big deal here in Udaipur. So that's the normal road that the vehicles take going down to get out of the old city in that direction. And this is the road that goes down to the main Ghat, to Gangaur Ghat. You might recognise the arches down there, down on the river. This part of the road has pretty much been completed. They've just got to do the finishing paving now. So now walking down Gangaur Ghat Road. And what they've done here with this, these roadworks, it's part of the smart city thing that the Indian government have implemented in many cities around India. Millions of dollars are being pumped in to improve the infrastructure, especially things like underground plumbing and electricals, wiring, that sort of stuff, which eventually will make everything hopefully work a lot better. They've also been renovating a lot of the temples in the old city here, and the gateways have all been done up. They look great now. They're beautifully floodlit at night. So Udaipur is going to be absolutely stunning when they've finished it. Not that it never wasn't stunning, but it's going to be even better. And this is the location of the evening dance program, the Museum Gangaur Ki Haveli. Again, you can see a lot of restoration work happening to the facade here, and I believe they're doing work inside too. So we're on Gangaur Ghat now. Life is still going on here pretty much as normal in terms of people getting married. Weddings obviously are much smaller than they used to be. These guys are having their pre-wedding shoot. Still got the cows around. We've had the most stunning weather for the last 6 months, albeit hot during the summer, and of course a very good and wet monsoon. We've just got a bit of haze coming the last couple of days. This is going to last for about a week, and then we're going to be into our very short and beautiful autumn before winter hits in December. So I'm now at the bottom of Gangaur Ghat Road, and this is the little laneway that runs along the front. Now they did this road last year, and you can see it's been paved. So this is what eventually the whole of the old city is going to look like. And this is more of the construction work on the temples they're doing. All of the temples, the ghats, the bridges have got new signs. One of the very first places to reopen after our lockdown was Gilles Cafe, which is a favourite amongst tourists and locals alike. And they're doing a booming business here. They're right on the lake edge. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is one of the little gateways that has been restored. This is the one that leads to the walk bridge to the other side of the lake. And they've done a beautiful job of them. They've put in these glass rooms, which I'm guessing they're going to put something in there on display. Nothing's in there at the moment. So I'm on the walk bridge now, heading onto the other side of the lake. Walking home. My home is just over in that direction a little. So I hope you enjoyed this little walk around Udaipur Old City today, showing you what's happening, all the work they're doing, and I'll update you from time to time as things progress, things change. So until then, see you later.